Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Display and Brightness. This is where screen timing lives. Once there, make sure you know your iPhone model and iOS version because options can shift slightly. Tap Auto Lock to begin. This controls how long the screen stays on when idle. You want to choose a practical interval, so pick one that balances battery life and convenience. If screen time restrictions are active, make sure they won't block your change before proceeding. Once done with Auto Lock, review Focus and Low Power Mode because they affect sleep behavior. You should tap Auto Lock and pick a duration, 30 seconds for max battery, 5 minutes for convenience, or never if you keep the device on a charger. Then open Focus settings. Some focus profiles prevent dimming or extend screen on time, so adjust those rules to match your chosen interval. If low power mode is on, make sure to disable it briefly to allow longer auto lock options to appear. To finish, lock your iPhone and watch that the screen sleeps at the new interval. This confirms success. If you don't see the change, restart the device. A reboot often applies pending settings. Make sure any management profiles or screen time limits aren't forcing a different behavior. Remove or edit them if necessary. If problems persist, go to Settings, General Reset all settings as a last resort. It preserves data while restoring display defaults. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.